channel, and I'm your cyber goddess. So, in the last class, we have discussed about cyber threat intelligence. I hope you understood that concept. And today, we are diving into the fascinating world of threat hunting and its methodologies. In second, okay. As a cybersecurity professionals, it's not enough for us to wait for alerts or rely on the defensive measures like firewall and antivirus software. We need to actively seek out potential threats within our network before they cause harm. That's where threat hunting comes in. The threat hunting is the proactive search for threats that have evaded the traditional security measures. It's like being a detective in the cyber realm, constantly looking for a signs of malicious activity. This proactive approach is crucial because it allows us to identify and neutralize the threats before they can cause the damage to our system or data. So before we begin into threat hunting, we need to clearly define our objectives. What are we trying to achieve? Are we looking for the signs of a specific type of threat, such as a malware or insider threat? So we have to make sure that we have a clear objective. Next, we formulate the hypothesis based on the available TI threat intelligence or past incidents or any suspicious activity that has been flagged. This hypothesis guides our investigation and help us to focus on our effort. Without data in hand, we analyze it for indicators of compromise (IOC), anomalous behavior, or any pattern that may indicate a potential threat. This steps requires a combination of technical expertise and a key eye for the detail. So we must have a data. Without data in hand, we analyze the IOC. Okay, if we identify something suspicious during our analysis, we need to investigate further to confirm whether it is poses a real threat or a fake threat to organization. This may involve conducting the additional forensic or querying other data sources for more information. Finally, if we confirm the presence of a threat, we take immediate action to mitigate it and prevent any further damage. We also report our findings to stakeholders within the organization so that they can take appropriate measures to shore up our defenses. To bring this concept to the life, we can look into the real world examples for threat hunting. For example, suspicious network traffic. Imagine you notice a spike in outbound network traffic late at night when most employees are not supposed to be working. This could be the sign of compromised system communicating with a command and control server, or it can be a fileless malware. It's particularly tricky to detect because it operates entirely in memory and leaving behind no traditional traces on the disk. The threat hunters might look for the suspicious PowerShell commands or unusual process behavior as indicators of fileless malware activity. So, overall, the threat hunting is a proactive and essential component of any robust cybersecurity strategy. By employing the methodologies we have discussed today, stay vigilant for signs of malicious activity. We can better protect our organization from cyber threats. Remember that best defense is the good offense. So, thank you for your attention, and I encourage you to explore further resources on threat hunting to deepen your understanding of the critical aspects of the cybersecurity. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also enable the notification bell. And if you want to connect me personally, you can connect me on my social medias like Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And if you have any doubt, you can directly ping me on there, and also you can comment down below. And if you want to a specific topic to explain, you can comment down in the video itself. Okay. For example, if you want to learn more about the SIM or SOAR or EDR or Cortex X or specific technologies, you can also comment down that. Okay, you can also mention down that. Or if you want to focus on the offensive side, you can also comment down it. Okay, so please share this video to your friends, those who are looking into a cybersecurity job. And that's all for this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.